Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the no audio output device install error on Windows 10. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, the first thing you should do is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. If restarting the system didn't fix the issue, the next thing you should do is ensure that your output device is enabled. Right-click the sound icon at the bottom right of the screen and click Sounds. Now click the Playback tab. On this page, locate your system speaker. If it's grayed out, right-click, then click Enable. Now click OK to close this page. If that didn't fix the issue, the next thing to do is run the troubleshooter. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click Update and Security. Over here, click Troubleshoot. Then click Additional Troubleshooters. Then up here, click Plain Audio. Then click Run the Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your system sound, and in some cases, it won't fix them automatically. Just follow any prompts that show up on screen. If the troubleshooter still didn't fix the issue, the next thing to do is configure the Windows audio service. Click the Windows icon and type in Services. Click this option. Now on this page, scroll down until you locate the Windows audio service. Double click to open it up. If the status says stopped, just click the start button here and ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. Now click apply, then click OK. Afterwards, restart your system and see if the issue has been fixed. If that last step still didn't fix the issue, the final thing we're going to try is updating drivers. Right-click the Windows icon, then up here, click Device Manager. Now click Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now locate the speaker driver. Yours will be different depending on your system. Here's mine. Right-click it and click Update Driver. Now click Browse My Computer for drivers. Now click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. On this page, just select the driver model. I'm going to go with this. Now click Next to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Then restart your system to see if the issue has been fixed. Your system's audio should be working properly now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.